Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so you will not miss a future video. Welcome to the channel, The Tech Piano Player Kid. A black background with white text that reads The Tech Piano Player Kid displays on the screen with the same text written to the right in Braille. What is up everyone, The Tech Piano Player Kid here, and today I'm going to be doing a brief tutorial of the screen reader of the Samsung Galaxy J7 mobile phone. And at the end of this video, I will be explaining how you can enter this giveaway so you can win this device. You have to be in the United States to win this, to enter, as I should say. And anyone can join, blind, visually impaired, or sighted, or anyone who wishes to enter. And the phone should be unlocked, meaning any SIM card should work. I would think it should. If it doesn't, then I apologize on that, because I tested on here with T-Mobile and it works fine, and it should work with other mobile devices like network providers like AT&T and Sprint and stuff like that. So, and it does come with the AC adapter and the cable to charge it. And hopefully this is the right one. It works, so everything should be fine. Here's the phone right here. For those of you who are excited, hopefully you can see that. And that's the front of it. The back of it is here, and I'm sorry for all the fingerprints. I'll make sure those are all cleaned up before it's sent out. And here's the case. Just a, regular case. And there's that. And then within its case, it looks like so. And there you go. This phone is 32 gigabytes of internal storage, so if you need more room, you can add a micro SD card. You can find that on the left-hand side with the phone facing you. There's a little hole you need to use a paper clip to pop out the little drawer kind of thing, and then there are two slots, one's for SIM and one's for micro SD. If you're blind or visually impaired, you may need some sighted assistance to figure out which one's which and which way it goes. So you can add that in there. It has 2 gigabytes of RAM, and it should be on the latest update. But then again, when I send it out to you, there probably will be a new update. So no surprise there. So you never know. I do not know what the camera quality is on this thing, so don't ask because I don't know. And if you are blind or visually impaired, the screen reader will not turn on by default, so when you press and hold the side button to turn it on, it will vibrate once to let you know it's turning on. Give it about 30 seconds just to be on the safe side, and then press the home button once, and then press it 3 times to turn on the screen reader, or known as, not voice view, what's it called? Voice assistant. It doesn't have TalkBack on here. It's voice assistant now, apparently. Unless you can get TalkBack on the Play Store, which I'm not sure if you can. So, let's just look at this real quickly here. So turn on the device. You press and hold the side button until it turns on. It vibrates once. And I have a pin code on here. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I want to see how accessible Face ID is on this thing. Yes, it does have Face ID as well. The default pin code on this thing, for demonstration on this video, is 0000. Now, when I send this out to you, it will be like new, like no code, no nothing, just like out of the box kind of a thing. So, there you go.
Voice assistant on. Portrait view.
Okay.
Swipe to unlock.
So it says swipe to unlock.
Accessibility volume 50%.
So, we're going to press the home button once.
Swipe with 2 fingers to unlock.
Swipe with 2 fingers to unlock.
5. Screen turned off.
Oops.
Pin unlock.
Okay, it's actually...
8.
Okay, never mind.
0.
So,
Dot.
0,
Dot.
0,
Dot.
0.
Dot. Okay.
Oops, too many zeros.
0.
Try it again.
Dot. 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 Okay.
There we go.
Pin unlocked. Device unlocked. One UI home. Search.
All right, so we're on the main screen now. And so to go to the app screen,
App screen.
it's swipe up with 2 fingers or down with 2 fingers. That will show all the apps here.
Google folder.
And you just swipe left or right with one finger. And to go through the regular settings,
Swipe up and speech rate
through
15%.
speech rate and everything, it's swipe left or right with three fingers.
Punctuation, speech rate, custom app, focus on, homes, quick typing, vibration, sound feedback,
So you have that. And then by characters and navigation, you swipe up or down with three fingers.
default, characters, words, lines, paragraphs, characters, words.
There you go. That's that. And then the screen curtain is called, let's see what's it called in here.
Sound feed, notification, focus indicate, thick border, dark screen.
Dark screen. So to turn it on, you swipe up or down with one finger. Now if I swipe down,
Off,
it won't let me do it. So I swipe up with one finger.
on,
There you go.
dark screen on,
And then I can turn it back off. So
search, on, off, celebrating Kiyoshi Kuro, characters, words, celebrating,
and then to get out of that, I just swipe down with three fingers to get out of that. So it's back to the navigation where it would be originally.
Google, voice search, Google, weather, tap for weather info, email,
Okay, so let's go back to the app screen.
page 1 of 1.
All right, so the way we go to the face recognition is settings, then biometrics, and then face ID. I call it face ID, but it's called face recognition or something like that, and then you go set it up there. So let me go and just pause this video, and then we'll get there. It'll go a lot quicker. Okay, so as I said, we went to settings, then biometrics and security,
Navigate up,
and then
biometric, search, face recognition,
there's face recognition.
registered
Double tap,
settings, keyboard, cancel,
and it wants me to enter my PIN.
0, dot, 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 next, cancel,
Oops,
done,
done. Or
keyboard
next.
hidden, set up face recognition, face recognition, a convenient way to unlock your phone and verify yourself in apps.
Okay.
More about face recognition. Double tap to activate.
And that's just to learn more about it.
Continue button.
And then
Double tap
it'll just tell you more about it for the first time. It'll probably say, this is not the most securest way. Apple says it's pretty secure, but again, it depends because someone may look exactly like you. This is why our fingerprint would be more efficient, but this doesn't have fingerprint, so
More, continue.
let's continue anyway.
Samsung. Are you wearing glasses right now? Are you wearing glasses right now? First item.
Okay, so here's asking if we're wearing glasses.
If you wear glasses most of the time, put them on for best results.
If you wear glasses for most of the time, put them on for best results. So that does not apply to me.
Not selected. Yes. Radio button.
So there's yes
Selected.
or no.
No. Radio
So
button.
by default, it's no.
Continue. Button.
So I'll continue.
No face detected.
Oh, okay.
No face detected. No face detected. No face detected.
See, it doesn't really tell me.
No face detected. Alert couldn't register. Couldn't register face.
So
Face not cancel. Retry.
let's try again.
Samsung. Android. Biometrics.app. Setting. Face. Facing roll activity. No face detected. No face detected. Face registered. Biometrics and security.
Okay.
Face recognition.
I don't know what I did there, but it worked.
Items 1 to 7 of 7.
So
Biometrics and security.
it doesn't seem to work very well. It doesn't really tell you, turn right or down or up. So let's see if it works to unlock it.
5:44 p.m. Use face recognition to unlock. No match. Screen turned off.
Wait, did it work?
5:44 p.m. Use face recognition to unlock.
Okay, there we go.
Device
So
unlocked.
there will be a little
Biometrics
click
and
when
security.
it unlocks, and it will work.
Checking for updates.
So
Software update. Connecting to server. Software update.
okay, so there may be another update here. So It doesn't really work too well with accessibility, but let me look here real quick and see if there is a option that helps with visually impaired and see if there's anything in there, and then I'll let you guys know. So I'll be back. Okay, so there is no option here with help with Face ID for when you have voice assistant turned on. So as far as I know, now I would think it would tell you like what to do, but I guess it really doesn't. Maybe it does it automatically, but I don't know. I feel like it should do better. If you do not know how to use voice assistant, there is a tutorial button.
Voice tutorial. Double tap to activate.
So if I double tap this,
Tutorial. Showing items 1 to 7 of 7. Navigate up. Tutorial. 1. Using this tutorial, enlist 7 items. 2. Exploring the screen. 3. Navigating through pages. Double tap to activate.
so you have a lot of options here. You can go through and double tap, and you can explore with that, and it'll tell you how to go through those kind of stuff like that.
Screen turned off.
Okay, now you're probably wondering, how do I enter the giveaway? First of all, if you are under the age of 18 or 13 or whatever, and you're still living with your parents, just ask them permission to make sure they're okay with it. And if they have any questions, they can give me a call at 913-312-1325, and they can text me there as well. All right, to enter the giveaway, number 1, you must be subscribed to my channel and have post notifications turned on so you won't miss a future video. Number 2, when you comment down below, make sure you include hashtag giveaway in your comment. So hashtag GIVEAWAY within your comment. So then I know that you're interested. And I'm sorry, it's only for those in the United States because, shipping overseas is very expensive. Maybe in the future, I'll consider including other countries, but for now, it's just going to be in the United States. And then when I announce the winner in the next video, possibly, or maybe the video afterwards, I will explain how you can receive this device. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, comment down below. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And if you have any questions, call me or text me at 913-312-1325. Don't forget to like my Facebook page, The Tech Piano Player Kid, and follow me on Twitter, tech_piano. Everything is down below in the description. And with that in mind, I'll see you all later in the next video. God bless you all, and peace. The Tech Piano Player Kid is out. Thank you for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and leave a comment down below. For questions, please send an email to info@thetechpianoplayerkid.com. You can also give a call or text at 913-312-1325. And don't forget to like my Facebook page, The Tech Piano Player Kid, and follow me on Twitter, tech_piano. Black background with white text that reads The Tech Piano Player Kid displays on the screen with the same text written to the right in Braille, then fades to black.